Alright guys, how you all doing today? So, as you know, after yesterday's video, I'm still not too well. I am halfway through the antibiotic course and it's really not made much of a change. So, today it's just going to be literally a couple minutes video. I am quite busy. I have got to go to a Christmas fair. My daughter has a nursery tonight, so I won't be able to do my normal longish videos. So it's just going to be a wee short one tonight. One more thing. At the end of this one, I'm going to add a little clip of a weird noise that happened. Now this was a good few months ago. This could have even been close to like a year ago. But I don't know what the noise was. Now I think it might have been a fox, but I'm not quite sure. Now my partner thinks it could have been a fox as well, because there's traps and stuff like that, and they could be fighting it because we've got a big park just up the road from us. So we think they could be coming from there, but I'm not 100% sure. So if you could listen out to the noise and comment down below, let me know what your thoughts are about the noise, and that's about it for today guys. So please like and share my videos as much as you can. If you could get one person from your friends or families to subscribe to my channel, that would help me out the most. I had one person commenting on yesterday's video saying if there's anything that I need help with, just to ask. Well, this is the only thing that I need help with. It's hard to try and grow your channel on your own, and any help that you could get to me and give to me, I am much appreciated. And even just one person from, like, if 10 people watch my video and you get one person from friends or family to subscribe to my channel, that's another 10 subscribers. And now if I could do that at least like once, twice, 3 times a week, that would be amazing, and it would help my channel out so much. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in tomorrow's video. Bye for now.